Hey friends, if you wish to adjust the sound balance for left and right channel on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound in the right pane. Now you can see the output sound device. Click on the forward pointing arrow associated with it. Okay, now you can see that there are a lot of options here, and if you scroll down there will be an option for the volume. Click on the downward pointing arrow associated with it. You can reduce the volume for the left or the right channel for the output device accordingly. And if you wish to try it for a different output device which is not in play right now, you can also do that. Okay, the procedure will remain the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.